Hydroboration. It is another method of converting an alkene to an alcohol, and it uses the anti-Markovnikov addition, and it's also an Syn addition as far as stereochemistry is concerned. Syn means same side. So if we start out with the alkene, we add BHB, H3, or sometimes it's written B2H6. Boron can pick up a pair of electrons to fulfill the octet rule, and it can form this intermediate. So we got the making of the bonds, breaking of a bond between the hydrogen, and the formation of a bond between the carbon. And we end up getting this intermediate, this boron diboride compound. And this reaction happens 2 more times until it gets to a trialkyl group, as I'm showing here with 3. Trialkyl borane molecule. At that point, the reaction then, and let me just call this R. I'm going to make some room. So since we know there's 3 of them, I'm going to call it R and R for the 3. So I'm only going to take 1 of them. It then react with the hydrogen peroxide, or peroxide in base. Boron can fulfill the, can hold more electrons. As that happens, the electrons stay with the hydrogen, and we end up getting let's put the B here, the O, OH. And then I got my 3 R groups, so now it is positive. So rewrite that molecule again. So the molecule now can actually insert itself. The peroxide is not stable. So I'm trying to think how I want to draw this. This bond will go here. This bond will actually bond with that other oxygen. So we have a type of insertion reaction. And I'm going to definitely run out of room. So that's the insertion part of the reaction. Now at this point, I'm out of room, so let me go up here to erase. So remember, we lost a hydrogen here, it bonded with the OH to make an acid. Let's see here, get my molecule up here. Now our OH, have our electron pairs. Take a proton, electrons go with the OH, and these electrons go with the oxygen, and we end up getting our anti-Markovnikov product. And I guess I could put my hydrogen up there. But it is an insertion reaction here. That's what this step right down here is why it, this step right here is why it is a syn addition. The O is inserted to the same side as the BR, not on the opposite side. But we ended up with an anti-Markovnikov product due to the mechanism. And this is the mechanism for hydroboration.